So my paratha is ready. I'm gonna make really small, about that small ball. पेड़ा बना लेंगे, like 2 small ball, okay? About that big ball. I also cut some spinach, baby leaves, onion, tomato, shredded chicken, and a little bit mozzarella cheese. So sprinkle some flour, dry flour, like a round chapati.
Can I do it? I want to do it small.
Okay.
It looks like slime.
So 2 this size of chapati. I'm gonna make another one now. So place your first chapati in the pan. I'm gonna sprinkle some shredded chicken, then onion, and then tomatoes, then baby leaves, spinach baby leaves, and then last my cheese. A little bit chili flakes. And now place your other chapati on top. Make sure you seal the edges. Now just add a little bit oil when it's changed the color. And look, my cheesy vegetable stuffed paratha is ready. This is a unique paratha. Your family will love it. And let's dish it out. Look at that. And let's cut our stuffed paratha. Look at that. Ah.
I want to do the bean soup. I want to do Jack and the bean soup.
So yummy.